Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.